Welcome to the Experience Preschool Curriculum. Are you ready to start? Let's take a tour of the teacher guides. Find the 4 guides in the teacher tool bag. There is one teacher guide for each week. The books are marked with the monthly lessons and color-coded for easy reference. Every book is set up exactly the same, so no matter which theme you are using, the layout is consistent. Let's take a look inside. Find the table of contents on page 1. On the second page, there is an introduction to the weekly topic. Don't miss this helpful paragraph, which explains why the topic is important to the child's development and understanding of themselves and the world around them. This graphic is one section of the theme web. It shows the 5 lessons for the week. The purple circle is the featured weekly topic. Weeks 2 through 4 are grayed out, and they will have their own teacher guide. Each teacher guide features 5 lessons, and most educators use 1 lesson per day, but it's flexible according to your schedule. Here you see a quick summary of the 5 lessons of the week. At the bottom of the page, you will find the focused letter, key vocabulary and phonics words, as well as the shape, color, and character trait for the week. On the next pages is a quick peek that gives you an overview of the materials and experiences preschoolers will explore during the week. It is also a quick reference for seeing the materials included in your daily lesson bags and supply bags without having to open them all. Notice how each daily topic has a child-friendly explanation describing the topic. You can use these descriptions for talking points when introducing the topic during circle time. Introduce new games and art each day. Many of these activities can be left out so the children can continue to explore them during free time. The next column shows a featured STEAM station idea. Next, you'll see the daily recommended book. The book coordinates with the daily topic. These are just suggested books, but you can substitute as desired. Gather these titles from a local library or use a book that you have in hand. 2 books will be included in your kit each month. The next 2 pages contain STEAM stations for the week. Each day, a play idea related to the daily topic will be suggested. Here you can see how to set up the station and some questions to ask while you're observing the children explore. Visit member resources to download the STEAM Stations PDF and print the question and photo posters to use in your STEAM stations. You can purchase high-quality pre-printed STEAM packs with your kit if you prefer. Okay, let's turn the page. Here you'll find some space for individualized planning. You can include any special events, classroom visitors or volunteers, adaptations that are needed, or field trips you plan for the week. Let's look at Lesson 1 and see how it's set up. The daily topic is listed here in bold print. The photo on the right matches the daily conversation poster in the lesson bag. You will also have a supply bag that includes the materials needed to facilitate the day's activities. On the lesson plan, if it says supplies, those items are included in the bag. If it is marked as your supplies, you will need to gather those. Let's look at Lesson 1 and see how it's set up. Here you see a full lesson plan for the day. At the top will be circle time and the community challenge. Then Creative Corner. On the next page, small group literacy and math activities, a STEAM station idea, story time, and finally closing circle, which includes music and movement. A new music album is featured each month and is available streaming on member resources, YouTube, Amazon, Spotify, and Apple Music. It can also be streamed through the Brightwheel app. Notice that the skills embedded in each activity are listed under the activity's title. A prompt is provided for observing those skills. You can learn more about the skills by flipping to the back of your book. The skills chart in the back of the teacher guides is abbreviated, showing benchmarks 3 through 5, where preschoolers typically land in development during these years. A full developmental continuum of skills chart displaying benchmarks 1 through 8 is also provided. The preschool activities are written to reinforce benchmark 4. Prompts to simplify an activity are written at benchmark 3, and challenge prompts indicate benchmark 5. Notice that one activity each day will have a star next to it. The starred activity is our suggested assessment activity for the day. The skills chart will help you understand how children develop a specific skill over time and allow you to have appropriate expectations. It will also be a reference if you would like to adapt or extend an activity. Each daily lesson is organized the same. At the back of the book, we offer adaptation suggestions for adjusting the experiences to support children with diverse needs. The skills chart summarizes all 35 skills that children will be developing throughout the month through playful learning experiences. Finally, there's a bonus page of key vocabulary words for the week that can be cut out and posted on your word wall or used in your writing area. Enjoy learning with Experience Curriculum.